scholars and families, I'm Ms. Houston, and today we're going to warm up our brains by counting the Say 10 way. In the past, when we've counted from 0 to 20, we've counted 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on and so on. But today, when we count the Say 10 way, the numbers from 11 through 20 change. For example, the number 11 becomes 10, 1, because 11 is 10 and 1 more. The number 12 becomes 10, 2, because 12 is 10 and 2 more. Counting this way sets the students up for building a place value foundation. So let's get started, and we'll use our fingers to count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. We just counted the Say 10 way. Scholars, in the past, you've done a really great job counting numbers from 0 through 10. I think that you're ready for a bigger challenge now. We're going to practice bigger numbers all the way up to 20 throughout the next few lessons. Today, we'll begin counting objects and describing them as tens and ones. We're going to use this 10 frame and these counters to help us with our learning today. I have 3 bags of counters. I'm going to grab my first bag of counters. Now I'm going to line them up on the board so that I can move and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll write the number 11 on this side. This is the number 11. Now I'm going to start placing the counters inside of my 10 frame, and then I'll put the extra counters next to the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I look at my 10 frame, I can see that I have 10 counters in the 10 frame and 1 extra counter beside the 10 frame. So I can say that I have 10 ones and 1 1. And I can write that here. I have 10 ones and 1 1, or 1 extra 1. The number 11 is 10 and 1. We're going to try this again with another bag and another set of counters. All right. Let's see how many counters are in my next bag. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 counters. This is the number 12. Again, I'm going to start by putting some of my counters in the 10 frame, and then I'm going to see how many I have left over or how many extra counters I have. And I'm going to place them beside the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I look at the board, I notice that I have 10 counters or 10 ones in my 10 frame and 2 extra ones beside it. So I can say that I have 10 ones and 2 ones, and I can fill in the blank. I have 10 ones and 2 ones. The number 12 is 10 and 2 more. I have 10 ones and 2 ones. 10 ones and 2 extra ones. Let's try with the last bag. Let's see how many counters are in the last bag. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the number 13. Now, I'm going to place some counters in my 10 frame, and I'll put the extra counters beside the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I look at the board, I notice that I have 10 counters or 10 ones here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 3 extra counters or ones is what we call them. So I can say that I have 10 ones and 3 ones. 10 ones and 3 ones. Let's read the statement together. I have 10 ones and 3 ones. From the 10 ones in my 10 frame and the 3 ones that were left over. The number 13 is 10 and 3 more. Today we learned how to count objects and describe them as tens and ones. Now you will complete an activity on Seesaw.